Guys, welcome to the JetJanix. Today we are going to learn or we are going to calculate the percentage increase or decrease in a value. Okay, you might have certain data or you might have certain things. For example, here we have our two things, two product, the computer which is having unit cost of 100. Okay, and now the price has been increased by 10%. So what will be the final price after this increase? Okay, this is the one thing we are going to calculate today. And the other thing which I want to say, let's say we are repairing or we are giving mobile services, and the cost per service is 1000. Okay, and we are offering 20% discount, which means that this value should be decreased by 20%. In the first case, the computer case, we are going to increase the amount by 10%, and this in second case, in mobile case, we are going to decrease this amount by 20%. So how we are going to calculate these increase and decrease? It is very simple. Just focus here. Type the equal sign and select this value. Okay, and after that you insert this asterisk and start parenthesis. Okay, if you didn't start parenthesis, the Excel will calculate a very strange thing for you. It will of course it will do a mistake, not a mistake, but it will follow the mathematical rules, and it will multiply before addition and subtraction, and in that case you will have the wrong answer. Okay, so start parenthesis and again 1 plus, you have to type plus and select the percentage. Okay, we are going to multiply this one by this percentage. Okay, the formula, it says multiply C6 this one by 1 plus this percentage. Now please close the parenthesis and press enter. Okay, you see now this price has been increased by 10%. Okay, and in case we want to decrease this value by 10% or 20%, what we are going to do is only one change that you have to make here. For example, the other things remain the same. You just select this cell and insert the asterisk, start the parenthesis again, type 1, but here after 1 you are not going to insert plus, but you have to insert minus, because we are going to decrease this value by 20%. Okay, and now select the 20%, close the parenthesis and press enter. You see this value, this 1000 has been decreased 20%. Okay, so it's a very simple and easy procedure for increasing or decreasing a value by different percentages. I think it is very easy and you learn it. So please, if you like our video, kindly share with your friends and press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.